Let's make the best brioche French toast sticks you've ever had. Pay attention, you need this Trader Joe's sliced French brioche bread. Once you get that, you want to take 6 slices out, slice them up into thirds, then make your batter. It's egg, milk, vanilla extract, sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, mix, mix, mix. You need the flour because it really adds to the crust of the French toast sticks. Without it, I just feel like it's kind of just fried egg on the outside of bread. So the flour kind of even things out. Once you fry them up, make sure you're on like a medium to medium low heat, butter and olive oil to get this gorgeous crust. Dip it in some Vermont maple syrup. That is the only way to go with this dish. Absolutely delicious. We had this with cheddar scrambled eggs and also some turkey bacon. Guys, this is really the perfect Saturday breakfast treat. Give it a try.